I'm Brent, the bylaw officer for the town of Greater Napanee. Today, we're going to be talking about the dog control bylaw.
As per our bylaw, you must keep your dog on a leash when you're off your private property onto public property. And you must always pick up after your pet. Rule number 1, always pick up number 2.
Don't throw into the ditches. We're trying to keep our parks clean. We have these disposal sites that bags are provided if you don't have one on you, and you can dispose of it in the garbage can.
And lastly, remember, your pet has to be licensed within the town of Greater Napanee. Licenses are $15 and can be found on the town website.
Keep our pathways and parks beautiful by doing your part to keep our community